Welcome to our comprehensive analysis of U.S. Express, one of the largest transportation companies in America. With over 30 years of experience, they specialize in providing a wide array of freight and logistics solutions to businesses across the country. With a fleet of over 7,000 trucks and 15,500 trailers, they have the capacity to meet diverse shipping needs. U.S. Express offers several key features that set them apart. They offer dedicated, over-the-road, and brokerage services. Their advanced technology platform provides real-time tracking and updates, ensuring transparency throughout the shipment process. Additionally, they offer specialized services like temperature-controlled shipping, expedited freight, and intermodal transportation. The pricing of U.S. Express is competitive and varies based on the services required. Factors such as the type of service, the distance of the shipment, and the nature of the goods being transported all influence the cost. For a detailed quote, it's best to contact U.S. Express directly. They also offer volume-based discounts to high-volume shippers. U.S. Express is ideal for businesses of all sizes requiring reliable and efficient freight services. Their dedicated services are perfect for businesses with consistent shipping volumes, while their over-the-road services are suitable for long-distance shipments. Their brokerage services are ideal for businesses looking for the best rates and flexibility. The advantages of U.S. Express include their extensive network, which ensures timely delivery. Their advanced technology platform enhances transparency and efficiency. They also have a diverse range of services catering to various shipping needs. Their long-standing reputation in the industry speaks volumes about their reliability. Despite the many advantages, there are limitations to U.S. Express. Their services may not be affordable for small businesses or individual shippers. They also do not offer international shipping, limiting their scope to the U.S. Additionally, while they have a large fleet, availability can still be an issue during peak shipping seasons. U.S. Express is a reliable and established freight service with a wide array of offerings. Their strength lies in their extensive network, advanced technology, and diverse services. However, their limitations include higher costs for small shippers and the lack of international shipping. In conclusion, U.S. Express is a robust freight service provider for businesses with diverse and consistent shipping needs. While it may not be the best fit for small businesses or those requiring international shipping, it excels in providing reliable, transparent, and efficient domestic freight services. Thank you for watching our analysis of U.S. Express. We hope you found it informative. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful analyses. Until next time.